In this video, I will show you how to auto-generate captions for videos, using an amazing AI captions tool called Vsub, and also I have 2 surprises for you at the end of the video, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. To start, click on the first link given in the description or the pinned comment and you will be able to see the Vsub page like this. In the top right corner, click here on Sign In. If you are using it for the first time, you will need to enter your email and enter an OTP that you receive and get started. I already have an account so I can directly see this page. After landing on this page, click here on New File. Select the first option that says Captions. Here you can select the language of the video. There are many languages that you can choose from. I will be captioning an English video, so I will select English. Now click here on Click to Upload and you will be able to select the video that you want to caption. After selecting the video, you can change its dimensions. My video is already in 9:16 ratio, so I will select Original. You can also trim your video by dragging here. After selecting dimensions and trimming, click here on Continue. The video will now get uploaded. Depending on the video size and your internet connection, you will have to wait for some time. After the video gets uploaded, you will see this screen saying generating subtitles, so let's wait for some time for the captions to get ready. The captions are now ready. You will be able to see the video on the right-hand side and the subtitles on the left-hand side. I will play the video to show you that the captions are absolutely perfect.
Alex told me that he did a route once and on his way up realized that he hadn't brought any chalk. So he had to borrow it from someone else who was...
If you want to change the position of the captions, you can simply drag them and choose the desired location. I will leave them as it is. If you click on this pen tool, you will find a few customization options. You can also change the text simply by clicking on it. Click here on Styles and you will find a lot of customization options. You can change the font size, alignment, color, etc. You can also change stroke, shadow, and background of the text. If you scroll down, you will get options to add emojis. There are many other options that are not possible to cover in this video, so you can explore them on your own. Click here on Templates and you will find some other styles for captions. To select one, simply click on it and the style will get applied. You can also add music to your video from here. Click on Tools and you can add or generate emojis. If you click here on Advanced, you will find options to replace the video. You can also export the subtitles in different formats. You can select any and click Export. Now that we have seen most of the features, it's time to download the video. Click here on Download. But the problem is, this video will contain a watermark and it's time to reveal the 2 surprises that will allow you to download videos without watermark. Click here on Upgrade or you can go to the pricing section. The first surprise is that there is a limited time offer where you can purchase lifetime access for a nominal price, and unlike most other tools, you won't have to pay every month or year. You can use this lifetime access to provide captions to other creators and charge them per video. There are 2 plans and you can compare their benefits. I will recommend the Pro plan because then you can caption unlimited videos. If you are watching this video late, then you can still go for the monthly plans or use the annual plans to get 2 months for free. Now the second surprise is after you select any plan, you can get 10% discount. Go to LifeTime and click on Go Pro. Here there is an option to enter the discount code. Type WB Explainer in all caps and click on Apply. You will get a discount of 10% on any plan that you choose, and this code will always remain valid. To complete the payment, choose any of the 2 options. Click on Debit or Credit Card and you will be able to enter all your details and then complete your payment. If you want to know about another amazing AI captions tool, then check out this video here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching.